Alright, so let's get into this pre-workout. Oh, you want one? Hit me up, I'll give you one. Alright, so this is 2 servings. And it has beetroot extract, 2 grams of sugar, 90 grams of sodium, caffeine, and drops, 150 milligrams. And that's half. So that's just 2 servings. So that's 1 serving. Creatine. Yeah, it has trifosfat. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure it's half a dose. So I'm gonna just open it. And as you can see, I'm gonna pour this thing into there. I do not want to take 2 servings of this, which is 300 milligrams of caffeine right now, because it is 8:22 at night on a Friday night. So, ooh, look how that looks. Let me smell it. Ooh, shucks, I guess I'm on the dresser. Sure.